In this video, I'll show you how to corrupt a real SQL Server database and then repair it step by step using both native tools and a tool called Stellar Repair for Microsoft SQL. No theory, just comments, results, and real errors on screen. We will build a small demo database, break it, try DBCC CHECKDB, and then bring it back from that. Let's start. So first we are going to open SQL Server Management Studio 21. If you haven't downloaded it, I will leave a link in the video description so you can download and install it. So then you're going to click on connect, and first we will create a clean database called SalesDB. We will add some sample tables and data, run a quick integrity check to make sure it's healthy, and then we will destroy it. So first let's create a new query. I'm going to copy paste some code so we don't waste time on this. You will find the code in the description of the video. I will leave a link there. So we first need to make sure that no SalesDB or SalesDB repair exists. So we are going to execute this, and it's completed successfully. So we are going to create database SalesDB, and we are going to use that and create table dbo.customers, dbo.orders, and we are going to insert some sample data. Execute this, it's created without errors. Let's refresh, open databases, and as you can see, it's showing here. So next we need to corrupt this database, so it will start showing errors. SQL Server stores data in progress. We will locate the physical page that holds one of our rows and flip a few bytes with DBCC white page. So let's do that. Let's copy and paste this code. And as you can see, the bytes are flipped and the file now is corrupted. So now that our database is corrupted, we will try a native way to fix it. So first we are going to set the database in single user mode, and we are going to click on execute. And it's going to roll back. Let's run the repairs here and let's verify the data. And it kind of worked, but there is another way you can do this fast. It can do all type of corruptions, even complicated ones. So now we are going to use Stellar. You can download Stellar Repair for Microsoft SQL using the link in the description. So now we are going to use Stellar Info, which will make our work a lot easier. You can free download it or you can buy it. It has a lot of options for corporate, technician, and toolkit. If you buy Stellar Repair for Microsoft SQL now, you are going to save 50 euros and you will get access to all the services Stellar Repair for Microsoft SQL offers. I will leave the link of this website in the video description. You can download it and use it right now. I already have downloaded it, so let's open it. Stellar Repair, click on yes. And this is Repair Microsoft SQL Database. We are going to select this one. And here we are going to select our database. You will find the database on local disk C on program files and select Microsoft SQL. After finding the default folder for SQL, you make sure you select your database file. We're getting an error because this file is in use by another program, so we need to offline it or detach it from this database here. Click on execute. So now we go again here, click on browse, select the file, and we're going to click on repair. Standard scan, it's recommended, and it's saved successfully. As you can see, all the data is here, and you are going to click on save. You can select new database or live database or other formats. We are going to choose a new database, click on next, and for the server name we are going to choose our desktop name because it's on localhost. Let's enter the server name, default SQL, click on next. We are going to choose standard saving and click on save. And the file has been saved successfully. So what Stellar does, it scans the corrupt file, rebuilds missing pages, and lets you preview every row before saving. The repair database opens flawlessly and none of your rows, all records are back. That's the difference between native repair and a dedicated recovery tool. If you need a safe recovery without risking rows, try Stellar Repair for Microsoft SQL. You can download Stellar Repair for Microsoft SQL using the link in the description. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Code Crushers, and see you on the next one. Peace out.